Good morning everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So nothing really happened on the DAX. S&P had quite a big move, but we did move down, but for me we're still very much stuck in the zone we spoke about yesterday. Could be a flag forming, or could be a break of a flag here. There is the bottom of the flag, and I think you're going to see it a lot clearer on the 3 hour. There it is there. So that very well could be a break, but look at all the buys that came in. That is lots of barbed wire, tail to the upside, tail to the downside, lots of confusion at the moment. So again, longs will only start coming into play above 14,939. So that level has not changed. What we would be wanting to do is looking for structure, and we do have a crossover the moving average, but look at my oscillators, they are extremely oversold at the moment, so I'm very wary of that. I'm going to delete this diagonal, and you can see big down, big up, big down, big up, big down, big up, complete confusion. The only thing constant here is that the rejection of 14,930 area is, what is this level here? There's a little pin bar here. That is 14,910. So you can basically round this off to 14,900. So the rejection of this 14,900 area is still very much on the cards. Now we do have a few gaps to the downside. We've got weekly levels here at 14,675. I would argue we probably want to be waiting at the gap here. I don't see anything else. A fairly strong level of support that we had form here at 14,810 area. So could be a situation of it. We're starting to look for short. So we were trying to roll to the upside. Now we're trying to roll to the downside. Price above and below the moving averages. Complete confusion. I think that's all that you're seeing here is a complete confused market. For me, I think watch 14,810. If we do reject that, there is an opportunity for a short here. 55-point stop loss. Your stop is going to be above this area here, and you're going to be looking, in my view anyway. I just want to double check that we're not missing something. I think that is probably what's going to be our ambush zone. So we would be looking to target 14,700, 14,675. I think 14,700 is the wiser choice. So this is a bit of a bull flag forming. Target is, I'm just going to move one of these levels here so we don't get too busy. Target would basically be the low of yesterday, right there. So we're looking for a rejection of 14,785, or we're looking for a rejection of 14,810. Don't forget to smash that like button quickly, otherwise YouTube penalizes me and hates me. But if we just get that rejection in play, you've got a nice juicy 14,700 to target. So let's say 65-point stop loss or 100-point gain, so a little bit better than a one-to-one trade. It is a little bit concerning that S&P is on a tear to the downside, but the DAX is not following suit. So that is obviously something to do with Euro USD, which I'll look at just now. But that's kind of the view that I've got here. I just want to close off on the weekly, and nothing's really changing. You can see this weekly range bar at the moment, which is to be expected, as I've been explaining for quite some time. We do have a lot of weekly support and what was support, which could be resistance here. So you can see how this ties up. Those two levels that we want to be short off is a rejection of that, so we're flipping that area into resistance, and then the zone that I've given you for profit taking is the next level for support, and this is still in an upward trend on the weekly, so very, very, very cautious at the moment. This could flip and fly to the upside, or it could just barrel through these levels. We've got some juicy gaps to the downside here, which could I won't say interfere. I wanted to say interfere, but could act as some decent magnets for the bears. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.